How to disable mirror effect on your selfie camera. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to disable the mirror effect on your selfie camera, in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step. So first of all, you can go ahead and open up the camera app. Just go ahead and tap on the camera app and open it up on your screen. And then once you open it up, you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. The next step you need to do is you may just go ahead and look out for the settings icon in the top left corner of your screen and go ahead and tap on it to open up your settings of your camera app. After that is done, your camera settings menu should appear on your screen. Here, you may just go ahead and look out for an option related to selfie settings. So you can scroll down and go to selfie section. The name of this option varies by device, but is often one of the following. For mine, it is save selfies as reviewed. You can also find options such as save mirrored selfies, mirror front camera, etc. You just need to go ahead and tap on the toggle option or checkbox to turn it off and turn off the mirror effect like this. And once that is done, that will disable the mirror effect on your selfie camera. If you'd like to turn it on again, you may basically hit over the settings again on your camera, scroll down and go over to the option called save selfies as reviewed and turn it on, and that way you can turn it on again. And that's it. If you'd like to disable your mirror effect on your selfie camera, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.